F is for fish. F, fish. F is for frog. F, frog. F is for fan. If, fan. F is for flower. If, flower. F says F, it's fun to say. Let's make the F sound every day. Let's see what other words begin with F. Say them with me. Fish, frog, fan, flower, fox, fire, feather, fence, finger. Can you flap like a bird with feathers? Can you hop like a frog? Boing, boing. You're fantastic with F. Now let's learn to write the letter F. Grab your pencil or use your finger in the air. For big F, uppercase F. Start with one straight line down. Add one line across the top, then add a shorter line across the middle. That's big F. For small f, lowercase f. Make a curved line at the top, then draw a straight line down and cross it in the middle. That's small f. Say it with me. Big F, small f, 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 F. It's time to play the F sound game. If the word starts with the letter F, clap your hands. If it doesn't, stay still. Ready? Let's go. Fish, clap. Cat, no clap. Frog, clap. Dog, no clap. Flower, clap. Sun, no clap. You're fabulous. Let's try a funny F tongue twister. Say it slowly first, then faster. Funny frogs fly fast and far. Try again. Funny frogs fly fast and far. Now faster. Funny frogs fly fast and far. Wow, that was fantastic.
F is for fish. Fish. F is for frog. Frog. F is for fan. Fan. F is for flower. Flower. F says hook. It's fun to say. Let's make the F sound every day.
Awesome work, friends. You learned all about the letter F, its sound, words, and how to write it. You're fantastic phonics friends. Next time, we'll learn the great letter G. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more alphabet and phonics fun. Bye-bye, F. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
Hello, like on this video, subscribe, press the bell icon and share on this video your family, friends and other WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much.